Ukrainian Armed Forces said they destroyed a Russian tank in Kharkiv Oblast using a Javelin missile, in footage posted on August 6. The drone footage, posted by the 93rd Separate Mechanized Brigade of the Operational Command East of the Ground Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, shows smoke rising from a tank before it explodes, sending shrapnel and flames high into the air. The tank explosion occurred in the region south of Izyum, an area highly contested by Ukrainian and Russian armed forces in Kharkiv Oblast, according to the UK's Ministry of Defence. Credit Armed Forces of Ukraine via Storyful.